Alright guys, mini vlog, you feel me? They told me bring the camera. Right here's the thing, exactly.
Very last minute.
Very last minute.
I got no money to pay for that.
None of us have money. She literally owes me money. It's what it is, you know. Guys, this guy just stole my swag. This guy's stealing. Alright guys, shitty ass vlog. We got this guy here. You feel me? Found a gate. Don't know what we're doing here. He finna show me some heat.
Why are you recording though? Why are you recording?
Guys, he's hitting me.
Drive!
Guys, help! 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 Help!
Bye bye!
No!
You look at the
Kevin left the KFC bucket.
Oh my
god. Look! He left the bucket on the car.
Go fast. Yo!
Bro!
Look behind you, look behind you.
The KFC bucket!
Look behind you.
The KFC bucket! Oh my, put your window down. I'll come this way. Huh? Oh yeah. Go get the thing.
Are you gonna pick this up?
Pick it up.
Wait, that's mine.
What? Look how goofy he looks.
Where'd you guys go? Why'd you pick it? He was like,
Bro,
are you gonna pick that up?
He went up to my left.
Oh yeah, what happened with the guy?
He went up to my
What? The guy. He came up to you in the car.
Oh, that guy?
Why did he do that?
What happened to the
It's
guy?
on the street, bro.
He just started yelling at Mark.
Do you have... No, this guy was like, oh, pick it up.
I was not getting out
No,
of the
he
car.
was. Yeah, he was like, "Are you gonna pick that up?"
I was on the other
He was
side.
giving
Did he see
attitude.
you? Did he see
No,
you?
he was like, "Are you gonna pick that up?" Like he looked
even-
mad ass.
Bro, I was like, oh, it was there. So I looked back, but you know we're not there. The moment he got the car,
He was like, oh no, it's their car. It's their one, the car behind us.
No car.
Now you call the cops.
This is funny.
Why is his camera so slow zooming in? Oh, should we sit on the?
I'm actually gonna turn black.
Oh, he feels lonely.
I think they're
His
dating.
friends
They're
left
literally
Mark.
dating.
Mark has no
I feel bad for
friends.
you. You've been like
Look like
third wheeling
they're
with them,
gonna
yeah?
Yeah.
I've been third wheeling my whole life.
Yeah.
Two
Damn.
Indians and I'm the one that's short, midget Asian.
Yeah.
Yeah. When are you gonna get a girlfriend? Never.
Bro,
Damn.
Daniel Bautista gets more bitches than me, bro.
Oh. Oh my
What are
god.
grown ass men doing at the park like this?
Imagine Mark just falls.
That'll be sick, honey. Oh my god.
Oh.
They're actually kids. They're actually children.
Mark hurt himself. Uh-oh. Look, look.
We sitting in the sun. Look, I've been to this park. With Rachel. Doesn't Rachel live near here? Oh my god, that can shut up. Wait, I can bring. Stop. Wait, I can bring.
Can he walk down the stairs? He's a competition, bro.
Ugly ass dog.
So what do they pick that dog, bro?
You gonna go down there or down there?
Shut up. Shh. Hush. First attempt. Backflip. First attempt. Right, let's go, guys. Nailed it, bro. Nailed it. That was fire.
No. No, don't touch his mouth.
There you go. It looks so funny from here, bro.
Okay, there's no more people walking past now.
There you go.
Okay, the sooner we do it, the Get some water.
There you go. What's he doing?
Oh, he probably wants to lay down. Let's see. Look at him. You know how you drop? Yeah. You can drop.
Whose shoes are these? Whose shoes are these?
What's his?
That's Julie's.
Julie's.
You don't remember me giving it to you?
I remember.
Too young to realize. That's so bright! And I should have bought and I should have given you all my hours when I had the chance.